Blabbers, what sort of mischief are you getting into now?
Yes, you heard right, sir. 12 funnel cakes. I'm getting some well-deserved grub, bub.
Hungry lady must be expecting it.
Yeah, expecting a clobbering.
I already paid Salty his golden blooms. Chillax, patch-eye punk.
Ooh, balloons! I accept that as a legal tender good, lady.
We've landed on Cuckoo Island. Anyways, listen up. Time for Devotion 66. The children of Israel had gotten right with God. Immediately, the Philistines had come out to battle against them. 20 years earlier, when the Philistines had come against them, they made the most horrible mistake imaginable, taking the Ark of God out onto the battlefield. What would they do this time? 1 Samuel 7:8. The children of Israel said to Samuel, "Cease not to cry unto the Lord our God for us, that he will save us out of the hand of the Philistines." Samuel took a sucking lamb and offered it for a burnt offering holy unto the Lord. And Samuel cried unto the Lord for Israel, and the Lord heard him. And as Samuel was offering up the burnt offering, the Philistines drew near to battle against Israel. But the Lord thundered with a great thunder on that day upon the Philistines, and discomfited them. They were smitten before Israel. They prayed, they worshipped, they fought, and God gave a great victory. What they did not was repeat the mistakes of the past. Remember that they knew exactly where the Ark of God was. They had easy access to it, but they did not go after it this time. Give them credit for having learned their lesson. Experience is a hard teacher. Do learn the lessons that it teaches quickly, and preferably without having to have those lessons repeated.
Balloons? What is this? Hey, wait, no, I'm flying!